Let us start exercise 4.1. Use the figure to name. Figure you can see, and we have to observe the figure and name 5 points, a line, 4 rays, 5 line segments. Let us start the solution of this sum. Now in the Interleaf notebook, on the blank page you will draw the figure, and on the lining page you will first write the problem and then write the solution. From the figure, 5 points are points you can see: point D, point E, point O, point B, point C. Name a line is. So many lines you can see, but here only one line name is asking. So the one line is DB or BD. We can give in the reverse order also. Second line EB, then 2 arrows should be there, so OB, and the 4 rays are, so many rays you can see here: DB, EB, OB, 1 arrow, OC. Now 5 line segments are, so many line segments you can see here. So 5 line segments are D, E, E, O, O, C here, O, B, then D, B also, D, O also. So many here. So you will write this. Okay. Now second question, name the line given in all possible, that means 12 ways, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. So we have to give the name of all possible way. So let us start the solution. Now from the figure, line names are 12 names. Okay. So now line AB, line AC, line AD. Then line BC, line BD, then line CD. Now in the reverse order, line DA, line DB, line DC. Then from start C, B, C, A, line CA, line CB, and then from B, line BA. So how many names? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now third question, use the figure to name. Line containing point E, line containing point E. Line passing through A, line passing through A. Line on which O lies, line on which O lies. 2 pairs of intersecting lines. Let us start. Now from the figure, line containing point E is line AE. We can say that EF also, but I have written line AE. Now line passing through A is AE, or we can write AD, AB also, but AE I have written. Now third, line on which O lies is. So O line, you can see O lies on line CO or line OC. Now 2 pairs of intersecting lines are, you can see intersecting, they are crossing each other. So line AE and line OC or CO. Second, line EF and line AE. Clear? Now fourth question, how many lines can pass through one given point and 2 given points? Let us start. Now see in the fourth question, if we will assume that point X is there, so line, 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 line. Still so many lines we can draw. So the answer is uncountable lines we can draw from a point. In the statement form you will write, I have not written uncountable, I have written only, but you will write in the statement form. Now if 2 points are given, you can see, so from the 2 points only 1 line we can draw. Clear? In the statement form you will write. Now Fifth question, draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. Point P lies on line segment AB. Line XY and line PQ intersect at M. Line L contains E and F but not D. Ray AP and ray OQ meet at O. Let us start. Now you can see here point B lies on line segment AB. Line XY and line PQ intersect at M. Intersecting point you can see PQ, line PQ and line XY. Now next, line L contains E and F but not D. So line L contains E and F but not D. Ray OP and OQ meet at O. OQ and OP meet at O. You can see. Now on the blank page you will draw the figure and statement you will write on the lining page. Now sixth question, consider the following figure of line MN. Say whether following statements are true or false in context of the given figure. Q, M, O and P are points on the line MN. So line MN is there. Both sides are arrow. Q, M, O and P. So true. M, O, N are points on a line segments MN. Line segments MN and M, O, N. Yes, true. M and N are endpoints of the line segments MN. Yes, line segments, piece of line. Now O and N are endpoints of line segments OP. Line segments is OP. So endpoints of OP, line segments OP will be O and P. So it is false. M is one of the endpoints of line segment QO. So QO. So endpoints of line segments QO will be Q and O. And here is written M. False. M is point on ray OP. Ray. M is endpoints. No. OP. So endpoints will be P and initial point will be O. Ray OP is different from ray QP. Ray OP and QP. Only names are different but the ray is one. So different from ray QP. False. Ray OP is same as ray OM. So ray OP is same as rho OM. No. Ray OP is in this direction and ray OM is in this direction. So false. Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. Ray OM is not opposite to ray OP. Opposite, both are. One is in this direction, one is in this direction. False. O is not an initial point of ray OP. O is the initial point of ray OP, so it is also false. N is the initial point of ray NP and ray NM. So N is the initial point of ray NM and NP. Yes, initial point is N. So here 4.1 is finished. Complete this exercise in your notebook. That means Interleaf notebook.